In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a radar chart in Google Sheets. A radar chart, sometimes called a spider chart, is great for comparing several categories across one or more items on a circular axis. Think skills across team members, product features across competitors, or performance metrics across time. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid-shaped app launcher icon. This opens a panel with Google Apps. Choose Google Sheets to jump straight into your spreadsheets. Once Sheets loads, open the document where your data lives. If you already have a file with the information you want to visualize, select it from your list. With the sheet open, get your data ready. Radar charts work best when your categories are listed in the first column, and each additional column is a series you want to compare. Include a clear header row for every column. Keep your categories in a single contiguous block, and make sure the values are numeric and on a similar scale so the chart is meaningful. Click and drag to highlight the exact range you want to plot, including the headers. Avoid selecting blank rows or extra notes, as those can confuse the chart builder. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Google Sheets will insert a chart and open the chart editor on the right. It may guess a chart type for you, but we'll pick the right one manually. In the chart editor, under the Setup tab, open the Chart Type menu. Scroll until you find the section labeled Other. In that section, select Radar Chart. As soon as you click it, your chart will redraw in the radar style, placing each category around the circle and plotting your series from the center outward. Take a moment to scan the result. If your labels aren't showing correctly, check that your first column is being used as labels and that your header row is recognized. If something looks off, verify that all the values in your highlighted range are numbers and that you didn't include totals or stray text. That's it. You opened Google Sheets, selected your file, highlighted clean, well-structured data, inserted a chart, and switched the chart type to radar. With those steps, you now have a clear visual that makes multi-category comparisons fast and intuitive. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with radar charts in Google Sheets.